better hurry up, or I'm gonna throw you back in the cooler. Look. There he goes. Alright, y'all, so we didn't have a very good fishing day today. I caught one crappie this morning, and on the first cast, and I thought, oh man, we're gonna do good again today, and we didn't do good at all. So we thought, well, we'll come back this afternoon, and we come back this afternoon, and it was just about as dead. We did catch this one catfish. He was 5 pounds, 15 ounces, almost 6-pounder. But that's only one, that's the only fish we had, and I thought let him go and let him make some little catfish, and so we just went ahead and let him go. But I think I'm gonna have to take off a day or two from fishing. I'm tired, and I think we've been going after it for like 3 days. So I'm gonna take the next couple days off. I need to work on my boat trailer lights, and I need to change oil on my truck, so I may just do that. I don't know. I've said that before, and I may be right out there in the morning, so you can't never tell. So anyway, I appreciate y'all, and we'll talk at you later.